Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna create a one database and the table. Let's start. The query is create database and then write database name demo db. This is my database name. Let's select and execute. Now database is created. This is executing query and query executed successfully. And then I have to use this demo dm. I have written the demo dm1. So copy this database, control C, and write use this database. And in this database I'm gonna create a one table and inserting the value in this table. For example, create a one table, student table. Create table and table name as student, open bracket, and the column name and data type name. Column name is student id, stid, and data type is integer, comma, and the next column is ct. Ct is textual, so use varchar or char. In last video I explained what is the difference between character and varchar. Character store fixed value, but varchar is the variable that it can be variables. So I am using variable data types. Varchar 50. It means that it will store up to 15 characters. And then you don't have to use the comma if you don't have the another column. Bracket close and then semicolon and then execute it. Table is created, but table is a blank. How to check my table is created or not? Then you have to use select all from table name. My table name is student. Select, execute. The table is created and the column is stid and ct. Now I am gonna insert the values in this table. So the query is insert into, and then table name. My table name is student, paste, and values. In bracket you have to put the values like my student id is 1, comma, city is Delhi, and then select and execute. Now one record is inserted. How to check? Select all from student, select and execute. You can see that one row is added, student id 1 and the city is Delhi. If you want to add another row, so you can add many rows using this query. Copy it and student id 2 and city, Indore. Execute, and let's check. My second row is added. I have two rows, student id 1 and 2. In previous video I have explained what is dimension table and fact table, so I'm gonna create the dimension and fact table. There are four tables like patients, insurance provider, medical records, and medical visit. These above three tables are dimension table, and this is the fact table where I have used the foreign key to to make the relationship between them. So I'm gonna create this select and execute. This table is created. Now dimension table is created and this is the fact table. Now this is also created. So this table is created but it's blank. It So I'm gonna insert the values and add record. I've explained how to add this record. Insert into command, insert into, and then table name. This is the column name. You have to skip if you don't want to include them. Okay, patient, first name, last name, date of birth, gender, address. In this query I have not used the visit id. Sorry, this table is patient id is not included in this table because it's the auto increment. I have used the integer primary key identity means it will increment automatically. So after executing I will show you how it works. Insert into patient and then column name and then values. Okay, create it, select and execute. Now this table is created and how to check using command select function. Select all from table name is patient. Select and execute. Now records are added. This is the patient id. I have not mentioned in this query. I have mentioned except id, first name, last name, date of birth, but in this table patient id is included 1 2 3 4 because it's a identity and it's increment automatically one by one, 1 2 3 4 like this. Okay, and same as I'm gonna insert the other value in the other tables. Like this is the dimension table, value are inserted.